Hey everybody, today I have a 2016 Cadillac Escalade and I'm in the car right now. Car's running. As you can see, it says change engine oil soon and dismiss. So to dismiss it, you can push the select here and it dismisses. So to reset this oil light, you take, right now we are on this screen here. So you use your arrow button to scroll over. Now I'm on the speedometer. Now I'm over here where it says tire pressure. Now you can scroll up and down to different things. So you just keep scrolling through until you come up to oil life, and it says hold reset, hold select. So then you hold select, and there you go. That's how you reset the oil light on a 2016 Cadillac Escalade. All right, everybody, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe.